Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Rodrigo Rojas, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Philip Sison, International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Troopers of the Philippine Army. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Private First Class, Jeannie Sabas. At number 3, Corporal Joanne Bunag. Wearing jersey number 5, Private First Class, Mary Jean Balse. At number 8, Private First Class, Jovelyn Gonzaga. At number 14, Private Nerissa Bautista. And their team captain with jersey number 7, Corporal Tina Sala. Libero number 15, Miss Christine Agno. Head coach, Sergeant Rico De Guzman. Calling on our air spikers from the Philippine Air Force. Airwoman, second class, jersey number 1, Rhea Dimaculangan. At number 6, Airwoman, second class, May-Ann Pantino. Wearing jersey number 9, Airwoman, second class, Judy Caballejo. At number 10, Airwoman, second class, Micah Ortiz. At number 12, Airwoman, second class, Joy Cases. And at number 13, Miss Josimer Tapik. Libero number 5, Airwoman, second class, Mary Ann Balmaceda. Head coach, Staff Sergeant Clarence Ayi Esteban. This is the quarterfinal round.
Pagandahan ng ranggo. Pagandahan ng ranggo. Laban nandito. Yan. San Juan Arena po ang ating venue. At sa ilang sandali po, magsasalpukan na po. Pagandahan ng ranggo. May mga private first class, air women first class na nangyayari dito. First class din kaya ito ang magiging ating laban? Yan ang tanong dyan.
Tayo, no class?
Class, tayo? Class of 87. Pero ito nga po, itong very important itong laban na ito para sa Philippine Air Force kung nais na mapanatili ang kanilang takbo papunta sa ating Final Four. Kasi pretty much, makikita pa na sa team standings natin, medyo sure na yung tatlong nasa itaas, di ba? Army, Cagayan Valley, pati na rin itong PLDT home telpad. Ngayon, pwede na rin sabihin na medyo shoe-in na rin itong Air Force pero nanalo sila sa kanilang huling laban. Pag natalo sila rito, konti na lang ang lamang nila against NU and Ateneo.
That's right. At mapapressure pa sila when, let's say, Ateneo and NU starts, winning.
Right. Simula na po itong ating laban. Tina Sala, pinamigay. Here's Rhea Dimaculangan running attempt here for Micah Ortiz. Dug up there by Jovelyn Gonzaga. Agno, angat para dito kay Nene Bautista. Check ball. Hindi daw. Check ball ang sinabi ng linesman. Sabi ni Rodrigo Rojas, no.
Linesman, ang referee hindi tumingin sa linesman. Kasi sure siya.
So 1-0. Air Force getting the first point after the long rally. Ito po ang ating leading candidate sa ating best setter race. Rhea Dimaculangan.
And she has been serving well.
Right. Here's Nene Bautista. Yan. Walang kaduda-duda sa kanyang cross-court strike. So again, Rachel Andakis is in uniform but will not be playing today. So Joanne Bunag ang papalit sa kanya. There's Rachel Andakis emoting sa sidelines.
Oo nga. Pero I saw her, diba, walk.
Humingi ng pizza kanina sa atin yan. Nandun ka ba sa loob?
Hindi, pero paglabas ko, nakita ko kumakain.
Yun na nga eh. Nakanenok pa ng pizza. Ito si Rachel Andakis kanina. 2-1 on that service error against the Philippine Army.
But I can see also, pati si Nene Bautista, her ankles heavily taped. Her right.
Service error going the other way from Micah Ortiz. So, hindi malayo, marami nang iniinda itong mga ito. Dami nila pinagdaanan ng mga laban. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. But again, that record that we mentioned earlier, Army, throughout all leagues and all competitions, has only lost 5 times this year. Only 1 time with Tina Salak in the lineup. And that happened right here in the Shakey's V-League against Cagayan Valley.
Yeah, Army really, I heard kasi pati yung training nila is very intense. And kahit nung nawala sila Tina, syempre pagbalik nila, tapos training, ganun pa rin.
Exactly. Mayan Pantino now to serve. 1-point lead for the Philippine Air Force. Balse, nailusot kay Tapik. The Battle of Davao right there.
Yeah. And you gotta love the fitness level right now of Balse, although her knees are always yung with the
perennial na yan
no? Pero maganda nilalaro rin niya this contest.
Yung nagkataka-taka dito si Jovelyn Gonzaga, and probably we can get that from Bianca Saldua later on. The heavily taped left knee nitong si Jovelyn Gonzaga as Caballero scores. So far so good. Maganda ang pacing dito para sa Philippine Air Force. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Vili. Good serve.
Yeah.
Again, sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. And Judy Caballero able to get the service ace. Ito si Bionic Guapa kahit na may nakabalot sa tuhod, laro pa rin niya, laro yan. Salak against Cases. Cases almost won.
Good save.
Running attack now, netting topic. Tinagno is there. Tina Salak, back set. Wala sa pwesto si Gonzaga. Here's Dimac going over to Cases. Dug up by Agno. You expect a lot of long rallies between these teams. Joan Bunag. Dug up that time by Pantino. Cases, ganda na bueno. Gonzaga. Salak, quick set. Ando naman si Topic. Hindi natamaan yun ni Balse. Salak, iuhulog. Nandun si Cases. Buhay pa rin itong ating rally.
Long rally.
In Agno. Salak. Sa kabila pinapunta kay Joan Bunag. And the veteran delivers.
But you know, you're not going to be surprised that we are going to have a lot of long rallies kasi they're so familiar with each other yung sa mga Olympics nila.
Yes,
diba?
AFP Olympics, parati po sila nagtatagpo. In fact, I think these are the two teams that always see each other in the women's volleyball finals. Balse with the serve that goes long. Dala na yata ng masamang panahon, ano? Uulan ng malakas dito sa San Juan, napapalakas din tuloy yung serve ng mga player. You see the coaching staff ng Army sa panahon ng tag-ulan. Ngayon yun. Iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Neneng Topic from Davao. Nailusot niya yun sa net. Here's Jeannie Sabas now from Cebu. Running attack. Micah Ortiz. Nice dig by Nene Bautista. Sabas. Palabas na yun pero nilaro pa rin yun ni Topic. Pantino sending it to Cases on the angle. And Salak will miss. Good idea, bad result.
Oh, but that was too near the net.
So 7-4 Air Force. Yung Army is playing into the game nitong Philippine Air Force, ha?
That's what Air Force wants. That's what they like Army to do. We know Air Force, they're just there, diba? They're very solid game all the time.
Pero bibilis. Bibilis itong mga ito. Pagdating especially sa floor defense. Here's Sabas. Topic lifts it up. Dimac to Ortiz. The UST connection works. What a start for the Philippine Air Force. They are up by 4 kontra sa Philippine Army. Kami po ay magbabalik.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback. Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Alarca, hindi pa bumalik. At si Jovelyn Gonzaga, yung tanong mo kanina, is meron siyang patellar tendonitis sa tuhod, dalawang tuhod, dahil sa overuse, kaka-jumping, at may konting maga, pero hindi naman ito major problem. At sa kanyang left na shoulder, meron din konting tightness, kaya meron din siyang konting mga tape na nilalagay. Tungkol naman kay Rachel Andak, sabi naman nila is hindi pa siya nagpa-check up sa doktor, so hindi natin alam kung gaano katagal mawawala at gaano kaseryoso ang kanyang injury. Pero ang weird naman talaga dahil sa practice wala wala naman siyang nararamdaman, pero kagabi lang, biglang sumakit. Balik sa inyo, Noel and Nurin.
Ayun patuloy na kwentong yan. After daw ng practice nila, nag-viewing sila. After ng viewing, nung matutulog na sila, bigla nagkaroon ng tightness sa tuhod. Si Rachel. Tinext niya kaagad si Assistant Coach Kung Fu Reyes na natanggap naman yun. Siyempre, 5:30 na in the morning the next day. Na, ayun na nga. So, natulog na masakit ng tuhod ito si Rachel. Today, may tightness pa rin. So, they chose to hold her out of this game for now.
That's always better, no? Do not force the issue.
Cases did not force the issue that time, pero kinapos naman yung kanyang tira. Air Force lead down to 3.
But you gotta feel for Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Well, Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Si Gonzaga is actually one of the youngest members of this team at 22.
And she's pretty lean and slim.
Ayun na nga, the bionic guapa. Here's Dimac going over to Cases. Kept alive. Sabas gets it across. Caballejo, di makulangan. Ortiz. And the UST connection did not work that time.
That's right. No, what I'm saying, you gotta feel for it. Kasi both knees, patellar tendonitis, and then you have the shoulder injury. Parang, wow.
Well, the shoulder injury is actually commonplace to, especially mga power strikers katulad niya. Joan Bunag, nice serve. Pantino gets to that one. Here's Joy Cases. Nakabang doon si Tina Salak. Balmaceda. One more time around for Cases. Salak. Attacking deep, pero nakuha kaagad yun ng Caballejo. Cases again! Cases again!
Boy, relentless is Joy Cases here in this match.
10-7 Air Force.
But you know, if Joy Cases plays well, normally nananalo ang Air Force.
Right. But again, going back to the Rachel Andakis injury, nawawala naman yung serve naman ni Rachel, which is she's number 1 in the league pagdating sa serves. So that's what they will miss in her absence.
Pati blocking, I think she's number 2.
In the top 5 in blocking for sure. As Bautista, yan ang magbubuhat ngayon. Si Nene Bautista, kailangan na niyang mag-score para sa sarili niya at para din kay Rachel.
That is true.
And they are down by 2. Tina Salak now. Cases on the reception. Here's Pantino. Ganda ng buwelo. And Pantino gets the best of Tin Agno that time.
That's right. That's a tough angle for Pantino, who normally actually starts off the bench.
Off the bench usually because they usually si Caballero kasi ngayon pinasok as utility.
Okay.
So they usually have Iya Yonko's another case. Iya Yonko with a shoulder injury that we'll have to update on later on. Kausap ko si Iya kanina, hindi na naman siya maglalaro. So this will be the second game that Yonko will miss because of that shoulder injury. She missed the first game against NU.
Well, that's going to be a big loss because we know that Yonko is the number 1 blocker, I think, no?
Yes, she is. Good serve.
So both squads plagued by injuries.
Which makes it interesting kung paano sila mag-a-adjust dito. Dimac sending it to Caballejo. Gonzaga now doing the setting for Balse. Misdirects it. Pantino nandun. Quick set. Ortiz. Ang ganda ng cover dito ng Army but it results in a free ball. Dimac. Pantino. Hindi tumama sa kamay ng blocker.
Sayang, no? She had the right thing in mind. Just over-cracked that.
And a timeout here by Air Force. Lumiit na kanilang kalamangan. 1 puntos na lang ang inaalagaan. So kanina 5 ang abante nila, ngayon naging 1 na lang. Na hindi naman talagang nagpumupukpok itong Philippine Army. Nagkakataon lang talaga na yung depensa nila lumambot itong Air Force.
That's right. Tapos ang opensa hindi naman makascore.
Yan din. So Ginny Sabas, produkto ni Coach Grace Antigua sa University of San Jose Recoletos in Cebu. As Judy Caballejo sends that one long.
So far, yung mga follow-through, even Joy Cases, medyo mabagal.
11 all, yan na. Nabura na po yung kalamangan dito ng Philippine Air Force. As Sabas will serve once again. Balmaceda, hindi na maabutan yan. And just like that, lamang na po ang Philippine Army.
Trying to misreceive. But I remember si Jeannie Sabas. In one game, diba, pinasok siya, tapos nag-serve lang siya. Do you remember that?
Maybe siya kasama mo rin nun.
No. But she showed us, that time she's always playing off the bench, she showed us potential as well.
Right, well, she's starting now because of the absence of Jack Alarca, who is still out with that high ankle sprain. Na-sustain niya nung ating elimination round. Balse gets it across. Casis is there, new libero para din sa Philippine Air Force. Pinasok na. Itong si Jill Gustilo. Great save by Tina Salak. Here's Gustilo now, sending it over to Dimaculangan. Pantino, ang ganda ng buwelo. Gonzaga. Ito na naman yung mahabang rally, but that time Gustilo cannot keep it alive.
You're gonna love the aggressiveness of Team Army. Si Tina Salak went over to the second stringer's warm-up area.
Kaya nga. The sprint from Miss Cavite. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin proudly Philippine-made.
Nakuha natin si Tina, batang-bata.
Oo. Parang Lydia de Vega yung dating niya nun. And a good serve there again from Jeannie Sabas. Pangalawang ace na niya yan. Kung anong maganda simula ng Air Force, biglang naubos.
Oh, sabi ni Coach Mac, 38 years old.
Huwag na natin sabihin ko sino yun. Sabas finally hits it into the net. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Micah Ortiz ngayon. So, Airwoman second class.
Yeah.
First class itong si Rhea. Di Maculangan. Sala, quick set. Masyado mababa para kay Balse. Angat, Gonzaga, one more time around. Balse into the net. King medyo masama ang gising ngayon. Ano?
Dahil nag-alangan din siya sa approach na.
Just like that, that lead has been trimmed down to 1.
Obviously, in this match, because of all the injuries, they are so evenly matched.
Kaya nga. Bautista. Gonzaga ngayon over the defense. Caballero is there. D-Max sending it back to Judy, and Judy scores.
Okay, so now we know why she's the one designated to play Arionco's position.
Pero nung college naman siya talaga utility spiker, si Judy Caballero. So just back to her position. Alam naman natin, opener talaga siya. Pero binalik siya sa pwesto ni Arionco because that was what she was playing in college. Here's Mike Ortiz. Salak. That's too deep. Gonzaga keeping it alive. Balse, pumwesto. Cases, D-Mac, Pantino, Agno, hindi na maabutan niya ni Bautista. So good aggression shown, and this is 4 straight points para sa Philippine Air Force. Lamang na sila ng isa.
Oo. Yun ang maganda nga sa Air Force eh. Slowly but surely eh. Wag mo sila bibigyan ng chance or pag-aton. Talaga, they'll grab the lead.
And they did that right now. Salak lifts it for Gonzaga. Andun si Ortiz, pero again, kaliwet na si Gonzaga sa yung pihit niyang yun. Pabor na pabor sa kanya.
Can you imagine every time she goes to jump, merong discomfort?
Yun talaga eh.
Patellar tendonitis.
Exactly. She is 22 years old. At saka, sabi nga ni Job sa akin dati, parati ako may injured during the game, hindi lang nahalata. Yung mga tapilok-tapilok, yung mga, and there's another one. That's gonna be a lifting violation against Topic. A double touch against Topic. 16-15, nakuha ulit ng Army ang kalamangan kontra sa Air Force. We'll be right back.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust. The new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback. Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust. The new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shaky Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback. Hey, listen.
Galing sa mga anino. Ang tira doon ni Pantino. Nice block there by Caballejo. Nicola Gonzaga once again off the hands of Pantino. Balmaceda was nowhere near.
Well, we said it before. We think, arguably, Gonzaga's the best when it comes to the mga joust sa net. Lagi niya yun talaga, which is able to brush it off the blocker's hand.
And again, the beach volleyball training is a big factor in that as Caballejo scores. Tanda natin, Jovelyn Gonzaga has been representing the country ever since she was a teenager sa beach volleyball.
Yeah.
Produkto po ng Central Philippines University in Iloilo. Yan po si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Salak, quick set to Balse. Masyado ba mababa yata yung set ni Salak for Balse today, no?
Wala sa comfort level ni Mary Jean Balse.
Here's Mayan Pantino from Baguio.
He's playing well for Air Force.
Kita mo naman yung gano'ng kanipis yung katawan niya talaga, pang open spiker talaga. As Jovelyn Gonzaga is dug up there by Pantino. Sending it now to Caballejo. Agno keeping it alive. Salak lifts it up for Bunag. The FEU connection working that time.
We talked about her in our pregame. Alam natin, this is one player who will, not very flashy, but who will rise to the occasion.
Not bad, ano? Dating middle hitter siya, dating quicker. Nilipat in that position in lieu of the absence of Rachel Andakis. Cases will give up a free ball. Salak going down the middle for Balse. Better set that time, pero naabangan si Balse. Neneng Topic, inabangan naman ni Balse. At talo na naman siya sa Battle of Davao.
Good anticipation by King.
Ayan o, mga Davauenya at the net. So 19-17, 2-point lead for the Lady Troopers. Guapa on the serve. Combination, nice anticipation there by Balse. Masyado malapit yan para dito kay Caballejo, and Bunag keeps it in.
Defense working para sa Team Army.
Timeout Air Force. Namagana naman ang kalamangan ng Lady Troopers.
Tayo, pinapaiwas ko sa libero, pero tinatarget natin yung libero. Sila tinatarget yung libero natin. So, hindi, pag tapos ko talaga, yan po, joke ganito. Joke ginagawa natin. Pag hindi na, ano naman?
2017 Army. Di po siguro kayo maniniwala pag sinabi namin kanina 15 ang Air Force. 9-4 pa yung score noong time na yon.
It was a hot start by Air Force.
Gonzaga again on the serve. Pantino with the reception. Di makulangan. Going to Cases. Nakaabang naman si Tina Salak.
Okay. Medyo, alam mo, Army started slow, but ngayon, medyo nakuha na nila.
Parang ganyan naman parati sila, di ba? Parang di sila simula. I think that 100-meter dash by Tina Salak earlier warmed her up.
Exactly.
Ito ngayon ang serve na naman ni Gonzaga. Caballejo off the block. One-hand dig there coming from Tinagno. Joanne Bunag. Naabangan that time ni Tapik. Gonzaga, one more time around for Bunag. Here is, drop ball coming from Caballejo. Bunag. Ay inangat yan ni Pantino. Cases, unmolested pero napalakas.
Sayang. Wasted opportunity para kay Joyce Cases. Ang ganda ng buwelo niya, pero yung follow through. Pinigil niya yung follow through.
At super late na yung blockers that time. So Gonzaga continues to serve. Balmaceda. Back set ngayon. Caballejo. Dug up again by Agno. Salak. Giving it to Balse na kilala yung uppercut. Pero sabi ni Neneng Tapik, oy, ako naman ngayon naman nanalo. Battle of Davao, ha?
Sabi ni Balse, and laugh with the net.
Down to 4. Kalamangan dito ng Philippine Army. Judy Caballejo now serving. Here is Balse. Cases, pipihit. Nakabang na naman si Tina Salak.
Boy, the defense, the blocking of Army here towards the end of the first set, doon gumagana. Pero for Air Force naman, you have to read also your opponent. Hindi ka palo ng palo. Pinaka nakakainis for a spiker. Pag single block, kasi ang laki ng space na pwede mong pasukan.
Ang laki naman ng single block na yon. Reception is overcooked ng Jeannie Sabas. Well, ready makulangan. There's no match for Jeannie Sabas that time.
Oh, pati si Jeannie Sabas getting into the block column.
Right. So 6 set points for Army. They were down by 5 earlier. Balmaceda, di makulangan. Cases, talim.
Finally.
So nabawasan na isa pero 5 set point pa rin yan para dito sa Philippine Army. Neneng Topic now to serve and she will be replaced by Wendy Ann Semana. The captain will come in for service duties as she always does. Extra defender na rin yan sa likuran.
Oh. What's nice about Wendy Atamana, she can step, she can spike, lahat.
Wow. Running attack, Bunag. Semana keeps it alive. Cases. Here's Salak now, going to Balser. Andun si Pantino, di makulangan inangat para kay Cases. Tinagno, nagkabanggaan si Sabas at saka si Salak, and Sabas is slow to get up. Yan ang nightmare para kay Rico de Guzman. He's already gone one quicker. Wala na si Jack Alarca sa kanyang lineup. And Sabas is all he has. And Rico de Guzman now has to call a timeout so to buy enough time for Sabas to recover.
Ang service malambot, itaas mo, ibigay mo sa net.
So mukhang okay na naman si Jeannie Sabas. During that break, we were talking about kung sino pwede pumalit sa kanya if in case she does go down. Yeah, Buna can go back to the middle attacker position and bring in a wing spiker like a Michelle Carolino probably.
Yeah. They have actually 2 players pa in the bench.
Dalia Cruz.
Dalia Cruz and Michelle Carolino.
Still set point for Army. And finally they get it off of Joanne Bunag. So Bunag gets it off the check ball, 25-20. Struggle para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. Without Rachel Landakis, without Jack Alarca in their lineup. As we take a look at our shaky play. But Joanne Bunag, siya yung nag-step up dito. At siya nakakuha ng panalo para dito sa Philippine Army.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get to Mars Internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get to Mars Internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get to Mars Internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get to Mars Internet now. Smart Pro.
Is the defense of Army paved the way for the offense to flow.
Ayun na nga, Joan Bunag. Magkakaroon tayo ng Joan Bunag special dito. He's able to get that point down. And of course, ayan, Mayat Carolino in the house. Kasama si Rachel Andakis na pilay. But Mayat Carolino, ganda ng hairstyle.
Oh, I like
Bagay sa kanya, no? Bagay kay Mayat Carolino yung kanyang hairstyle as we start the second set naman dito. So, Air Force maganda simula nila kanina. How do they sustain that now moving forward?
Well, they have to focus also on their defense, you know, their service reception. Para si Rhea, magamit na yung options niya. At the start, pupunta pa siya kay Ortiz. Towards the end, wala na silang play.
Right. So, simula na po itong ating second set. Bad reception there by Bunag. Hindi naman nailigpit yun ni Pantino. Sabi ni Nene, ako na lang. Pero sabi ng net, what?
Sabi ng kamay niya, aray ko.
Aray ko. Stretching pa ulit dito si Nene. So we have Rhea Di Maculangan now serving para sa Air Force.
Good serve.
And there's Tinagno with the reception. Takbo naman si Salak. Here's Bautista. Dug up there by Balmaceda. Di Maculangan going to Pantino. Agno. Salak. Bautista. Nice block by Micah Ortiz.
Right. Read well. Bautista opted for the angled shot and Ortiz was there.
So 2-0. Maganda simula na naman para sa Air Force. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. D-Mac serving. Oh, one of the, yun naman, isa nakuha niyang award dito, best server.
Oo.
Tinagno. Sabas on the quick. That is a miss. So errors para sa Army.
That's sayang, no? Kasi actually yung blockers late mag-react. So, it just sailed out.
So D-Mac right now, yeah, she's about 5'8" and she's a setter. Kabila, you have somebody who's about 5'11", 6 feet who's a setter. So labanan na probably two of the best setters in the country, with all due respect to Ruby De Leon. Salak. Good block again, coming there from Ortiz. Then Bautista, nakabuelo off the hands of Caballero.
That's a smart player. Going cross-court with Mean Ortiz again. Challenge na si Judy Caballero.
Finally, nakakuha ng puntos itong Philippine Army dito sa ating second set. So, Tina Salak now on the serve. Di Maculangan, running attack. Micah Ortiz. Again, pag maganda reception ng Air Force, number one option, Micah Ortiz.
Oh, and classic Rhea Di Maculangan to Ortiz yan.
Ilang taon natin napanood niya sa UST. Pero nasa likod na, ito si Micah Ortiz.
Hindi kaya nila namimiss si Aiza Maizo Pontilla. Di ba
Marami
yun
pa
yun
yun. May Maruba na Tikla pa silang kasama dati. Here is Pantino. Balse. Combination play. Bautista. Ang hirap pigilan nun.
Again, no? Deja vu si Judy Caballero doon.
And naiwan na lang siya mag-isa. Yun ang problema rito. She take a look at it again. Parang, tulong. Saklolo.
Ito na naman.
So, Ginny Sabas. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolan. Gamitin proudly Philippine made. D-Mac. Sending it to Caballero. Balik ulit sa open. Ito si Caballero. Oh, Balmaceda could not get there. Nice drop from Gonzaga.
Again, if Gonzaga's there, tipping it off the blocker, she's one of the best at that.
Kita mo naman, dalawang beach volleyball player nasa harapan para sa Army. No?
Oo nga.
Bautista and Gonzaga. Here's Sabas now serving. Dimac, Caballejo, lusot, binuhay, natulong.
Good try, though.
Again, Jeannie Sabas, big shoes to fill in the absence of Jack Alarca.
Oo. Pero medyo matagal na rin wala si Jack Alarca.
That will take a long time. That was a high ankle sprain.
Yeah.
And Jack Alarca wasn't necessarily the lightest player on the floor nung nangyari pa sa kanya yun. Actually, I was covering that game nung bumagsak siya. And she was in pain. Up. Gonzaga hits it into the antenna and rams into referee Rodrigo Rojas.
No, every time an Army player goes down, parang lahat na diba?
Konti na lang kasi pyesa nila rito. And again, it brings back the fact that they are all mortals.
Yes.
Diba, akala mo si Dakis hindi na mapipila yan after that ankle sprain she sustained, 5 years ago? This is her first injury since.
Yeah. They are mere mortals.
Oo.
They are not chemical.
Although Bionic Guapa will say otherwise. Nene Bautista. Dimac. Binigay kay Caballero. Nandun naman si Bautista sa coverage. Balse, quick set. Nice dig by Di Maculangan. Cases, cross court.
Good read by Cases. Realizing Gonzago's there. She went for the angle and nobody home.
Ito, lamang na naman itong Philippine Air Force ng 3 puntos. Nakuha na naman ni Bulag kung saan pupunta yung bola eh. Ang bilis na talaga ng tira. Sala, quick set to Balse. It finally works, although mababa pa rin.
Hindi pa rin yung solid na Balse quick na nakita natin.
Baba sa dalawa, kalamangan ng Air Force. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Guapa serving. Na-embrace na rin ng fans yung pangalan niyang Guapa eh. Because that was really is. As Topic scores off of Bunag's hands. So, lamang po ng 3 puntos ang Philippine Air Force kontra sa Philippine Army First Technical Time.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro. Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro.
Tatlo ang Philippine Air Force. Report now from Bianca Saldua.
Noel, kung kanina more on Army ang aking report, ito naman para sa Air Force dahil meron din silang injured player na hindi maglalaro ngayong laro na ito. Pinapahinga muna si Iya Yongko dahil sa kapipihit ng palo na overuse ang right shoulder niya at namamaga. Either way, sabi ni Coach Aying, hindi naman sila nag-expect na manalo sila ngayon, pero gusto niya makita na 110% ang effort nila at maganda ang laban. At para mangyari yan, ang reminder niya ay just play. Pag nagkamali, wag ma-down dahil nawawala ang aggressiveness at bumibigat ang laro. Balik sa inyo, Noel and Noreen.
Hindi expect na hindi siya mananalo rito. Downplay na naman ni Coach Aying kakayanan nila. Because if there's anything that can beat Army, ito, tingnan mo, Air Force lamang ng 4, ha?
Yep.
Neneng Topic now. Again, one of the all-stars from Davao, the Davao Lady Aguilas that invaded Manila in the first conference and took the league by storm. Cases! Akala natin, di na makukuha ni Joy yun.
Oh, no blockers went to challenge her.
Inisip nila, layo. Di na makukuha ni Cases to, Les Caliwete siya.
Hindi nila alam. Bionic din siya.
Oo, Gazelle naman.
Gazelle.
Bionic Intramuros Las. Isip mo, nagsimula ka sa college career mo, letra, natapos ka Lyceum. Ikaw umalis ng Intramuros. Salak now. Balse. Misses. 11-5. This is the biggest lead for the Air Force sa laban na ito. At mapipilitan tumawag ng timeout si Sergeant Rico de Guzman.
Saka yung siyempre Dobby, walang nagawang lang sa gitna. Paano nga ganito? Marami ba atras? Nakatagilid sa net. Nakatagilid sa net. Ano lang, habang na flow.
11-5, it is a defensive adjustment ang kailangan gawin nila rito.
No, but you know, ilan ang unforced airs ng Army? So far, they have around 5 already. Ang Air Force, wala pa rin.
Oh, wow. Sinabi mo yan, ikaw nagsabi niya. Sige, di ako magsasalita. Neneng topic serving. Nakasimbig service error.
Kasalanan mo na naman.
Bunag. Here's D-Mac lifting it up for Cases. Cross court. Unang error.
Oo nga. Ganun din yun eh, no?
Dinilay lang ng konti.
At least hindi sa service.
Ayun na nga. May Cases the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Mary Jean Balse. From Davao, formerly of the University of Mindanao, then transferred to the University of Santo Tomas. Two-time Shakey's V-League MVP. Two-time ano ba rin? Two-time Shakey's V-League MVP. Could not stop that attack from Joy Cases.
Yeah, and I remember when she invaded UST, the program, the volleyball program, UST just went sky high.
Ging Balse, eventually sumali si Angelita Baquero. Ando naman si Venus Bernal. Diba, setup nila si Denise Tan. Ruby De Leon muna before Denise Tan. And powerhouse lineup. That's actually for a short time. They had Dindin Santiago.
Yes.
Naalala mo yun? At shot goes long from Sabas. Dindin Santiago, of course, was a bench warmer for the high school pa lang siya noon. Nung umuupo siya sa bench ng college team.
Really.
Oh, para ma-training lang siya. Para ma-training. But she didn't see much action. Dindin Santiago. Until eventually, lumipat siya ng NU and became a superstar.
Yep. And the rest is history.
Right. See po, UST High School, ang daming na-produce na top quality volleyball players over the years.
Oh, Eliza
Valdez. Nandyan si Jaja Santiago also coming out of UST High School program.
Fajardo.
Oh, Ariel Patnongon, Kim Fajardo. Diba? Ganda ng programa talaga. And right now, pinagmamayabang ni Mosi Ravena na second generation mga PBA players. Nandyan naman ngayon sa high school program ng UST as Rhea Di Maculangan pulls everybody.
Well, right now, everything looking good for Air Force. Army, medyo the contrary.
Oo nga eh. Army, again, looking for... Hinahanapin niya yata lang si Rachel eh.
Oo. Talaga, I mean, times like these, if they really miss the services of Adakis.
D-Mac, good serve again. Sala, quick set, Sabas. Di Maculangan, leaving it for Caballejo. Oh, Tin Agno. Good reflexes. Jeannie Sabas takes something off of that shot. Nicely done.
Yep, she saw that huge hole there behind Ortiz.
Tama talaga parang, dito na lang tayo.
Oo.
14-8. Tina Salak now. Trying to keep Army in this one. And that is a bad reception by Pantino. Lumampas.
Oh, and that's a timely ace for Army.
Right. And again, the magic of Tina Salak. Another good serve. Di Maculangan sa kabila, Caballejo. Nandun si Gonzaga. Di-Mac. Salak. Gonzaga. Bautista. Nice block there by Caballejo, but it stays in the side of Air Force.
So Army string up a couple of points off the Salak serve.
Kanina, 7 kalamangan ng Air Force. Ngayon, 4 na lang. Salak pa rin. Pantino. Di Maculangan. Quick set. Ortiz. Nandun si Gonzaga. Salak. Back set. Gonzaga!
Parang this is a different Army squad altogether.
Pamatay sunog na timeout na naman ang gagawin dito ni Coach Aying Esteban.
Hanggang tayo dito, ikaw lumapit kaya mo sabi yung ticket sa short ball, tapos kunin mo lang. Okay?
Kuya,
Pag awkward na, wala na sa posisyon ba, ano mo lang, posisyon na tayo doon, ha? Okay? Pag ano, agresibo talaga, paluin, papaluin. Okay, tapos palayo ang palo, palayo. Huwag yung matamayin ng block.
nandito kayo. Nandito kayo.
Tignan ulit natin yung ating huling play. Kita natin, power on power na ang ginagamit dito nitong kupunan ng Philippine Army. Kanina si Bautista, ngayon si Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Kanya-kanyang angulo.
Right. And all that on the serve of Tina Salak. Balmaceda, Di Maculangan, Caballejo, Balse, Salak, Gonzaga. Caballejo's there. Caballero off of Bautista's hand. Salak sending it to Gonzaga once again. Daga by Cases. Pantino. Andun si Agno. Ito na naman yung long rally natin. Bautista turned back by Ortiz. Back set. Gonzaga. Hinulog ni Jovelyn.
Smart off-speed hit by Jove Gonzaga. Pero that was classic rally. The quality.
Oo.
No?
Tama dito. Guwapa. Oh, yun. Tigil silang lahat. Tawag nga dyan, campfire.
Yeah.
At may kakanta ng kumbaya, di ba? Ganon. Here is D-Mac now, going over to Pantino. One-handed save from Gonzaga. Bautista turns back by Ortiz.
That's right. Good block by Air Force. That's what they need right now to stop the rally.
And Ortiz delivers. Angat sa tatlo kanilang kalamangan. Kanina po, 7 yan. And now Micah Ortiz. Nice dropping serve that time. Salak sending it to nobody. Tinawid na lang yan ni Bautista. Di Maculangan. Hulog naman galing kay Caballejo.
Oo, si Caballero nakabasa ng butas ng defensive army.
So far so good pa rin para sa Philippine Air Force. They are up by 4.
We make it better.
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's all text 20 plus. Trying to call too many.
Made better with all day surfing.
No tweet and a tweet.
Share and like. It's the tweet that's so clear. And it's still at $20.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got plans now?
Yep. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Is representative, tatakbo ko yung bago. So, yun lang yun. 16 to 12.
Ano ba? Huwag na natin paabot dito sa loob.
Ambush.
Ambush na.
Ortiga, sabi nyo pala, nakabuntot na tayo. Grabe, para sa bag. Oh, wow. Di Maculangan space kept that ball alive. Here's Salak now. Gonzaga. Good dig there from Cases. Pantino off the block. Agno. Guapa, cross court, Caballero is there. Ito na naman, long rally, Pantino. No coverage on the other side, so Pantino scores.
But both sides got to credit, they're digging. No, so Caballero, Cases, Agno, everyone getting in.
Guapa umahawak sa kanyang kaliwang balikat na naman. 5 na naman ang abante rito ng Philippine Air Force. Here is Gonzaga. Masyado mataas. D-Mac. Backset ngayon. Papunta rito kay Caballejo. Gonzaga. Bautista. Nice block by Tapik.
Well, Air Force then pulling away na naman.
At ginagamitan ng Air Force ng depensa
Yes.
ngayon at the net.
And we don't see Coach Rico doing any changes.
Wala pa, so far. Ortiz. Agno. Sala, quick set to Sabas. Habol itong si Ortiz. Hindi na maabutan niya ni Judy. So, puntos ulit para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. But they are still down by 5.
Oh, and if they want to give chase, now is the time.
And si Jeannie Sabas has been serving well. Reception by Balmaceda. Dimac. Caballero, naabangan that time ni Balse. Dimac once again. Naabangan naman si Batino. Dito si Bautista. Ay, lusot! Hindi naabutan ni Gonzaga yung tira doon ni Caballero.
Oh, biglang pinita to down the line eh.
Oh. Tama rito si Gonzaga, parating. Biglang pumihit, wala na.
Sa ano lang, parang dinala lang niya doon
Right.
sa zone 1.
19-13. Balse going over to Gonzaga. Pantino, habol si Cases. Tapik, pinamigay. Agno, Sala, quick set to Balse. Good dig by Balmaceda. One more time around para sa Army. Bautista, cross court, yes!
Good angle there by Nene Bautista. They needed that from her kasi prior to that, panay block ang nakukuha niya.
Again, Nene Bautista sending it cross court. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Light target Katola, gamitin proudly Philippine made. Yung sound effects, yandan nyo mamaya. Okay. Here is Dimac now. Op! Nalunod si Tapik. Akala differential play.
Oo.
Sabi ni Case, sorry.
Bakit na error yan eh? You're giving a free point to Army.
Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan niya ng Air Force. Pwede pa humabol dito ang Army, ha? Oh! Nagkatinginan si Balmaceda sa si Cases. Salak. Balse on the delay. Di makulangan. Caballero. Balse! Walang pangalawang bola.
Miscue on Army's end.
And that's a miscue between Balse and Salak, no less.
No, actually, Balse is talking to Joan Buna.
Oo. 20-15. Caballero. Salak. Yan ang magandang patong.
Ito say, hindi pa solid yung tama ni Job Gonzaga.
You wanna see how it works? There it is.
Dalawang defender ng Air Force eh. Nakaluhod pareho.
Right. Baba ulit sa 4. Short serve. Cases ng Abuelo. Hulog ulit.
So Air Force found a Waterloo in the defensive Army. Hinuhulugan na lang
yun
sila.
Na nga eh. And then there will be a substitution as Wendy Ansimana checks in for Neneng Topic. If it's one family piece, that's gotta be Shakey's. So again, it's like having a second libero just sa likuran. The former UAAP Finals MVP. Semana, short serve. Sala, quick set to Balse. Nakaabang si Dimac Ulangan. 22-16. Timeout Army.
Nakukuha nga namin, pero ang tayo naman kasi, sayang din na pinaghirapan natin. Pwede natin lagi ko kayo para hindi nahirapan.
Embattled Philippine Army. Medyo nangamote nga sila sa first set but they were still able to get it done. Pero here, maganda na takbo ng Air Force.
Oo.
Yan yung mahulog na sinasabi natin rin na walang kasagutan. At pagdating naman dito sa opensa, well, blocks pa rin ang pinapaliguan na ng Air Force ng blocks itong Army.
So obviously dito sa second set, maganda or mas maganda ang dinidepensa ng Air Force.
Good serve there coming from Semana. Quick set ngayon to Balse. Cases keeping it alive. Di makulangan. Going back to Joy. Lusot kay Balse at kay Salak.
Everything going right para sa Air Force.
2 points away from tying us up at 1 set apiece. Inspired volleyball being shown here by the Air Spikers. Semana once again. Bautista. Bunag. Blocked there by Dimaculangan again. They go to Balses open, and again, Micah Ortiz this time.
Ang Army ngayon naman ang hindi makalusot sa blocks ng Air Force.
Parang naflatan itong Army bigla. This is 8 set points now for Air Force. Salak sending it over to Bunag. One more time around for the former captain, and that one will work for Johan Bunag.
But still, set point, 24-17.
Again, kailangan perfect na dito si Vals, is also won a Best Server Award.
Yeah. Lahat na lang, no?
Oh. Best blocker ba nakuha niya? Hindi pa naman siguro, no? Di ba? Double check natin. Bunag gets that one. So back-to-back points para dito sa Lady Troopers. Now King Balse trying to keep Army in this second set. First time nakita rin itong dalawang kumpunan na ito. It was a 4-set win para sa Philippine Army. What a dig by Gonzaga. Here's Bunag. Over the defense, Pantino. Galing sa likod, Caballero into the net. I think Rico, make that Aying Esteban might want to consider using a timeout already at this point.
I gotta give credit though for the defense of Pantino trying to save that. But no timeout yet for Coach Esteban.
Good serve there coming from Balse. Here's the running attack, and it's in! So Micah Ortiz will tie it up at 1 set apiece. 25-19. Nakuha po ng Philippine Air Force. So just like their first meeting, eto na naman tayo. 1 set apiece with our shaky play. Running attack from Micah Ortiz. Third set sa aming pong pagbabalik.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
Shakey's! We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's our hit. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
We love Shakey's!
Hey, listen, let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback. Hey, listen, let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE LTE plans. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Smart's internet now. Smart Pro.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
Only on a text to everybody.
Trident calls to many.
Made better with all day surfing. Now free up and a tweet. Share and like. It's so free, that's so free. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
Reset na tayo.
But you know, today's match, I would think that it's different from the previous matches because both teams have their own set of injured players. So it's hard, you can't really compare. Pero alam natin, both teams familiar nga with each other. Ngayon, mas evenly matched and 1-1. We'll see.
Gonzaga takes a spill and blocks everybody from getting to that ball.
Oh, na-block na si Tina Salak, na-block na
si
Ging
Balse. Nipis-nipis na nga naharangan pa niya yung mga yun. 1-1. And if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Rhea Di Maculangan. Serving well today, actually, to si Rhea. Salak, combination, Gonzaga, Casas is there. Oy, panalo si Ortiz sa joust.
Oh, no-look joust pa yun, ha?
So, 2-1. Sabi ni Micah,
With a smile, yan. Kita reaction niya.
Sana may kumuha ng picture no, nung point of impact na yan. Lagay ko sa article ko. Ganda ng point of impact na yon. 2-1. Ito na, sound effects game. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng death. Lion Tiger Katolang ko dito. Wow, Philippine made. Saan yung aso? Yun. Hina. Namamalat yung aso. 3-1. Ayan, temo, sabi natin ng plug na yun. Nakagawa na naman tong Air Force. And they're playing with a different kind of intensity.
Yes.
Dimac once again. Salak. Gonzaga. Ganda ng dig ni Rhea. Balmaceda ay pamimigay. Agno. Salak. Bautista into the net. 4-1 Air Force.
Well, it's Army actually that's playing bad. No? But we gotta give credit to the defense of Air Force because they've been digging well. Pati, ang sinabi nga natin, yung blocking towards the end of the second set.
Yep. And again, if you're just joining us, Iya Yonko is Mr. Second game ngayon para dito sa Philippine Air Force. Pero ang balita naman para dito sa kumpuna ng Philippine Army, as there's another service ace from Rhea, is that Rachel Andakis is also not playing today. So I don't know which is the bigger loss, Yonko for Air Force or Dakis for Army. Pero ngayon, 5-1, lamang po ang Philippine Air Force. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Di Maculangan, serving again.
Oh, serving well.
Kamote na naman tuloy itong kupunan ng Army sa reception. Caballero changing directions. Sabas trying to drop that one in. Back set ngayon, Caballero. And again, late coverage for the Philippine Army. Dinadaan sa bilis ng Air Spikers.
Yep. But I'm surprised actually Coach Rico is not tapping Adalia Cruz or Michelle Carolina.
Somebody fast,
yeah.
Oy, happy birthday, Venus Bernal. Maraming salamat sa pagpapaalala ninyo ni Guzman. Birthday ni Reyna. Venus Bernal, former UST MVP of this league as well. And Jovelyn Gonzaga says, quiet kayo. Quiet lang muna kayo.
Well, Gina Sabas now serving for Army.
Still down by 4. Air Force, ang ingay dito sa side ng Air Force. Kung nakikinig kayo, kanang bahagi ang ingay. And there's another strike there coming from Micah Ortiz.
Well, you know, they're obviously enjoying themselves. Kasi diba sabi nga ni Bianca kanina sa report niya, they're not expecting to win.
Yun ang sabi ni Coach Aing.
Sabi lang.
Everybody on this team thinks that they can beat Army. Here's Salak now. Bautista gets it across. Cases. Dimac. Caballero. Masyado malapit sa net. Pantino natalo doon kay Gonzaga. Pantino babawi. Pantino dug up there by Tinagno. Salak, Gonzaga. And Gonzaga will miss. And Jovelin has been doing everything. Pero it's still Air Force up by 6. We'll be right back.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got plans left?
Yep. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
Para sa kanyang mga teammates, mahihirapan lang daw sila kapag patuloy silang gumagamit or umaasa sa isang tao lamang. Also, they brought it into their attention na wala naman problema sa depensa, kundi ang error talaga. Kaya presence of mind lang para sa Lady Troopers ang kailangan. Sa Air Force naman, pumped up naman sila. And sa kanila nga, ang momentum. Pero kung may isang concern si Coach Ayeng, ito ang sanang wag ma-pressure ang kanyang mga players kung sakali titindi ang laban dahil nabanggit niya kanina na hindi pa hinug ang Air Force as a team at baka ma-choke sila. Pero so far, so good para sa Air Force. Back to you, Noel and Noreen.
Sabi lahat ni Coach ay hindi pa hinog yung team. Lahat yan talaga counter. That's completely the opposite of what we're seeing right now.
Maybe he's doing reverse psychology.
Oh, yun na nga eh. Here's Salak now, going over to Bunag. Salak again. Balse. Dimac. Cases, airborne again.
Well, you can see the difference really in the faces of this Air Force and Army. Talagang Air Force, all smiles ang Army. Talagang parang, it's so gloomy.
Gloomy sa labas.
Gloomy sa loob, gloomy sa
Pero
labas.
again, they have to move on. Dakis is not in the lineup. Adjust na tayo. Pantino hits into a service error. In fact, 2 of the 4 points itong Army have come on errors.
Yeah.
So they have to generate their own offense. Guapa now to serve. Balmaceda. Dimac. Tapik. Lift up na para dito kay Bunag. Dimac ulangan. Cases again. Balmaceda. Dimac ulangan. Caballero. Great block there coming from Bunag. Gonzaga down the middle for Balse.
Good dig.
Dimac ulangan doing everything ngayon. Cases on the drop.
Good save.
Dimac, one-hand set, netting topic, Gonzaga, Salak!
Oh, classic Tina Salak tips for you.
Tina Salak, dati pong quicker yan. Kaya alam niya yung mga ganong klaseng gulang.
Pero ang ganda ng save ni Joan Bunag
Right.
doon.
Still a 5-point lead though for Air Force. Dimac, Cases, hulog. Angat na naman, Bunag, ipamimigay. Balmaceda, Dimac ulangan, combination, Caballero, is a miss.
Unforced error there for Air Force.
Tumayo na si Coach Rico.
But if you're Air Force, ayaw mo magkaroon masyado ng unforced errors because you don't want to give Army the
Kahit
second
anong buwelo.
life.
Kahit anong buwelo. Bawal pagbigyan ng kalaban. Cases, nice block by Sala. Kaabutan to ni Cases. Too near the net and nobody there. Errors na ang kumakain dito sa Air Force. Baba sa 3 kanilang kalamangan.
Well, I like to say, every time you hit, there should be a purpose there.
Right.
In that instance, Joy Cases was going to save it, pero to whom?
Well, this is 4 straight points now para sa Lady Troopers. Lalim na naman ang tira doon ni Tina Salak. Cases. Dug up again by Bunag. Salak again, sending it deep. Here's Caballero. Hulog na naman. Bunag. Nice block by Tapik.
Good read. Good anticipation. Air Force again doing it with defense.
11-7. And that's, I guess, what... Oh, I have to correct myself. That was Judy Caballero.
Oh.
That's what yung ginagawa nilang depensa. Talaga, kita mo 5-0 sa blocks ng second set. Salak now. Balse. Balmaceda. Cases. Yes! 12-7.
Well, you know, Air Force, they've been getting points down the line.
Well, Cases, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. 5-point lead, yep.
Oo, yung core defense ng Army for the down the line, talaga wala.
Well, Bunag tries her own version of down the line. Wala daw nakatapik. 13-7. Balik ulit sa 6 ang kalamangan. Biggest at 7 earlier. And this, you're looking for Dalia Cruz. Here she is. Papalitan niya muna ito si King Balse. So more speed para sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. The entry of the former Lyceum star. Yep. Here's Salak now, going to Bunag. Here's Cases, airborne. Dalia Cruz, binigay dito kay Bunag. Nakaabang naman doon si Timakulangan. Sa likod, galing Jovelyn Gonzaga. Dug up there by Pantino. Cases! Hulog na naman! Off the block this time.
Well, again, you gotta love the aura of this Air Force squad.
Ganda na tinatakbo nila.
Oo.
And the way they lost in the first set, akala mo, nako, mukhang deflated na naman sila. But again, Joy Cases delivering sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolan gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Salak, hinulog. Hindi na maaabutan. That's a valiant effort, however. Galing kay Redy Makulangan. 14-8. Baba sa 6. Now Dalia Cruz. Cases. Topic going the other way. Bautista is there. Bunag off the block. Pantino. Dimac going to Cases again, and the down the line works.
Again, down the line, Noel.
Ang liliit na dinadaanan ng mga tira nitong Air Force, ha? But they are on target. 15-8. Neneng Topic to serve.
Ibang Air Force today, no?
Saka ibang ingay galing sa bench ng Air Force ngayon. Everybody's talking, everybody's communicating. Salak now. Running attack, Bunag. Bumalik ang kanyang pagiging middle spiker that time.
Na-miss na niya, no?
15-9 on that Bunag kill. Still a 6-point lead for Air Force. Joanne Bunag. Balmaceda. Di Makulangan for Ortiz who will miss.
Still a comfortable 5-point lead.
Again, you can't get too comfortable with any lead against the Philippine Army.
That's true.
If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. I forget kung sino kalaban ng Army na they were down 22-12 or 21-12. Sino ba kalaban lang ng Barry?
Diba si Dalia Cruz? The moment of Dalia Cruz.
Oh, yun na nga eh. 22-12. Hinabol ng Army. Nanalo pa sila.
Oo.
So again, no lead is saved. And this lead is down to 4. Bunag again. Di Makulangan for Cases. Nice block there by Sabas. One more time around for Cases. Ato si Gonzaga. Salak sa kabila. Bautista.
Good dig.
Dimac. Cases. Lusot na naman kay Salak. Army is making a run, but it is still Air Force up by 5. We'll be right.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why. A girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Smart's internet now. Smart Bro.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
From the all that text to everybody.
Trying it calls to many.
Made better with all day surfing. No fear in the tweet. Share and like. It's the tweet that's so free. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
Well, Zarate, kasama po si Noringo at si Bianca Saldua. So this is third set action, tied at 1 set apiece. So far, so good for the Air Spikers.
And I was talking to Coach Mac earlier, saying iba talaga yung ingay ng Air Force ngayon.
Right. Here's Salak. Bautista check ball. Natakam si Cassie, sakala niya maabutan pa niya yon.
Nakakatayo niya. I mean, ang cute ng reaction niya after.
Para napaso.
Oo.
16-12. Once again, no lead is safe against the Philippine Army. Especially when this young lady is there, Tina Salak. And as we said, on cue. And Tina Salak, the volleyball powerhouse from Cavite. Oh, speaking of Cavite, pati naman na si Andre Mullacanda. Dalhin mo naman yung lazy boy mo rito. Para ma-experience naman natin yung paghahatid ng volleyball na lazy boy yung
Saka mga cupcake ni Ivy.
Yun!
Yeah, si Ivy.
Miss ko na yung magkapatid na yun. Nagugutom tuloy ako. It is down to 2.
Ang dami mo na kinain ng pizza, no?
Pantino ng Abuelo. Gonzaga is there. Gonzaga will do the setting for Jeannie Sabas. And that one is turned back by Micah Ortiz.
What a time for that to come. Yun yung mga lagi mo sinasabi na pamatay sunog.
Oo. 17-14. And back to serve is Rhea Di Maculangan. Magandang consistency na pinakita niya today on the service line. Tahimik bigla.
Okay.
Bunag. Overcooks it. Salak. And that's a late call, but that is the correct call.
Tina Salak knew it.
Tumayo na si Coach Aing. Parang 1 second, wala pang pitoy. Overreaching violation gives Air Force another 4-point lead.
And you said it, no? It's because Rhea Di Maculangan has been serving very well throughout this match.
Right. Another good one from Rhea.
Ace.
Grabe, pinapakita ni Rhea Di Maculangan. Grace under pressure talaga.
Oo.
Umahabol na ang Army at lahat. Easy-easy lang serve, ace. Back to another 5-point lead. Dimac. Sabas. Salak. Bautista out of position. Pinalo pa rin. Caballero ay uhulog. And Judy does it again.
All smiles pa rin para sa Air Force.
Grabe manggulat niya si Caballero sa mga ganong klaseng hulog kasi hindi mo asahan eh.
Mahilig siya manood na gamit sa sabi niya. Matay nga yan.
Si Pantino bumebuelo na sa kabila. 20-14. All of a sudden, a 6-point lead. It was down to 2. Dimac again. Salak. Sabas turned back by Ortiz. Salak sa kabila. Bautista nilusot kay Caballero.
Boy, Army needed that point.
And now Jeannie Sabas to serve. (20-15). Cases. Rhea. Caballero off the block. Kept alive. Angat para dito kay Bautista who will miss.
That's a sorry error there para sa Army because there are no blockers.
Right. At papalit na ulit itong si Semana for whoever is going to serve in this rotation. And that will be Micah Ortiz. 21-15. So the captain trying to serve it out para sa Air Spikers. Bunag, Salak, Dalia Cruz wala sa pwesto. Back set ngayon, Caballejo again.
Boy, everything again working well for Air Force.
Good reception, good setting, great offense. Timeout, Army.
Ang gagawin nyo dyan sa loob ng court, mag-enjoy. Wala namang pressure eh. Hindi naman namin kayo pinipressure para ang ginagawa lang namin, tinatama namin yung pagkakamali nyo. Dahil mali-mali naman, wala sa timing yung block natin. Yung receive natin, napakalayo. So wala kayong garapan na para sumimangot dyan. Mag-enjoy kayo dyan sa loob ng court. Mag-enjoy lang kayo sa loob ng court.
So, hindi sila nag-enjoy.
Oo.
And behind ka na 7, talaga mahirap mag-enjoy nun.
Saka nagsimangot sila.
Oo. Kamot ulo, Tina Salak. Not having a particularly good day. 3 points away from taking a 2-1 lead against the Philippine Army. Semana. Salak, combination, Bautista. Di makulangan. Kabila, dinaan, Pantino, nice block by Gonzaga.
Well, that's what Coach Rico is saying. Huwag kayo magsimangot. You know, you gotta work for your point.
Palitan ng tao dito. Dalia Cruz will sit once again. Balse will return. So, baba sa 6. Pwede pa yan para sa Army. Bautista with the serve. Semana. Di makulangan. Caballejo nakabuelo. Gonzaga. Sa dulo pinapunta. Zone 1. Open.
That was so beach volleyball for you.
Pero sa beach volleyball, out yun.
Oo. May hangin pa.
Down to 5. Go over to Caballejo once again. Agno. Salak, inangat para kay Gonzaga. Off the net. Down to 3. Make that down to 4.
Oh, itong Army lumalaban na naman. But it's, you know, for me, it's up to Air Force also because they have the momentum to stop this momentum of Army.
Right. Angat na naman, Caballejo. Tries to drop it. Sala, quick set. Balse, nandun si Semana. Caballejo off the block. Gonzaga. Sala, quick set to Balse again. Down to 3.
And counting. Expect the timeout anytime soon.
Pag nagdalawa yan, I would think Coach Aying is gonna press that buzzer. So Nene Bautista again. Sure serve lang kailangan ni Nene dito. Caballejo tries to drop it. Almost worked. Gonzaga. Second ball. Pantino. Sala, quick set. Nakabang na si Tapik. Bunag. And that one goes out. No check ball.
Well, what a time for that error to come. They needed that point.
Oo. 23-19. 2 puntos sila ang kailangan on the serve of Mayan Pantino.
Pero dun, diba, dun masasabi natin na namimiss ng Army si Dakis.
Yun. Salak. Bunag. Almost dropped it in. Cases. And Agno kept it alive pero pasok na. 5 set points for the Philippine Air Force.
A team who never thought they'd win.
According to their coach at least.
According to
Time out, Philippine Army.
Kailangan natin tuloy-tuloy yung receive, hindi lang galing sa service, doon lang saka tayo magandang receive. Kailangan pag sa depensa, ganun din, para makatake tayo ng maganda. Ang nangyayari kasi sa opensa natin doon pa lang, nakapako na ang paa natin, hindi tayo makagalaw. Pinipilit natin abutin, pero wala na Ang tigas ng hita natin. So, ang nangyayari, kailangan igalaw natin. Huwag yung Philippine na gano'n lang ang gagawin nila.
Try to echo the troops no matter how. Kita natin dito yung tira ni Bunag. Talaga wala nakahawak.
Clear as day.
And kita natin si Joy Cases. Dinaanan naman sa lakas. So again, 5 set points for the Air Force. Pantino, good serve. Salak, combination. Bunag, nice block by Caballero. And that will do it. So now the Philippine Air Force leads 2-1 against the Philippine Army. A little sluggish so far for the Lady Troopers. Shaky shake and play. Makikita natin dito, Joy Cases. Kayod Marina. Babae siya. We'll be right back.
A fun place to get great deals.
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
We love Shakey's!
Hey, listen, let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get tomorrow's internet now. Smart Bro.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
Only on a text to everybody.
Trying it calls to many.
Made better with all-day surfing. No free and no free. Share and like. It's the key that's so free. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. Till Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer? Yeah? Thank you. I'm so lucky.
To a point that Coach Rico de Guzman is telling his girls, mag-enjoy kayo doon. You know, enjoy yourselves because yun ang kulang sa kanila.
Ganda ng blocking ko. That was a single block from Neneng Topic. And then on offense naman, may kita natin. Grabe, no? Joy Cases. Ang taas ng lipad niya ngayon. But playing inspired. Si Cases, Caballero, Pantino, it's a whole team effort. Kaya di makulangan.
Yeah.
Ang ganda rin na nilalaro dito. Anong bawi ngayon ng Army?
Well, again, like Army, sinasabi nga ni Coach Rico, kailangan mag-enjoy sila. They have to forget the second and the third set. And diba, focus on how did they win the first set? They won it through defense.
They want to come from behind.
Coming from behind, but through defense.
So, wow, Michelle Carolino is seeing her first action of the season right now.
And you wonder if
kailangan ng shake-up sa lineup. Oo. Joanne Bunag. Again, you're talking about a former league MVP right there. Carolino making a difference early. Kagad, unang rally pa lamang. Bautista net violation against Caballero.
So, Bunag is getting her spot back. She's playing in center.
Yun ang sinasabi natin kanina eh. They can put Bunag back at center and then put Michelle Carolino. This is a faster lineup now.
And this is the original lineup.
Oo.
Diba?
Yung pre-Dakis nila eh. Wala pa si Gonzaga nun. Here is Balse. Salak now, going to Gonzaga. Gonzaga inspired. Yan ang positive, plus minus na sinasabi namin sa basketball. Pag pinasok ka pa lamang, meron na kaagad positive input, and that is what Michelle Carolino brought in 2 rallies.
Yes, that's right. And in terms of top scorers from Army, Salak with 12, Bautista with 10, and Gonzaga with 11. For Air Force, it's Cassius with 15, Caballero with 14, and Ortiz with 10.
Sila na naman.
Oo, the usual suspect.
Pantino, Balse, Bautista, dug up there by Cases. Dimac, one-hand set for Ortiz, and Balse. Ano naman si King, nag-iisa na lang sa likuran.
Actually, nakita natin din, the mind was willing, no?
Hindi, kahit anong bata siya, hindi niya maabutan yun. Ang layo nun. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. First point para sa Air Force dito sa ating 4th set. Micah Ortiz serving. Gonzaga. Salak lifts it up for Gonzaga. And Gonzaga is denied. And it will stay in. Yan ang topic. Denied sa haba ng galamay.
Even that, because normally si Gonzaga mag-score pag ganun.
Pero haba ng galamay talaga nito si Topic. Now Ortiz. Here is Gonzaga, and it's 3-0 run now para sa Air Force. And again, yung plus-minus. Wala si Carolino on the floor. Pinalitan ni Agno. Ano nangyari? Tapos sunod na puntos ka agad.
But you can look at Agno. Mali yung positioning niya.
Yeah.
He was standing right behind Tina Sala.
3-0 run para sa Air Force. Bunag, running attack. And that is inside. Well, Rodrigo Rojas has to make a call because the 2 linesmen did not lift their flags.
Talaga nakaganyan yung linesman, naka-pause.
Nagtinginan din sila eh. Pwede pa rin pati sa linesman pala nangyayari yun. Nagtitinginan. Ano? And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Topic, yes. Lusot kay Gonzaga that time.
Boy, really maganda yung gising ng Air Force today.
Right. 4-3 Air Force. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Balse, andun na naman si Topic. Di makulangan, walang tao doon.
Wasted opportunity.
Nahilo si Rhea. Ano na nga ba yung play? Namutlasan na nakita niya. Walang tao.
But we've got to give credit to Agno for great coverage.
Oo naman. Actually, both liberos playing well.
Yes.
Hindi natin kasi sila napapansin. And there is Cases going through the block.
Boy, Cases playing really well.
Si Coach Kung po na yung nag-head coach ngayon para sa Army.
You were talking about her, Michelle Carolino, now
in
back
front.
in the lineup. Yeah.
In front na. Salak going to Balse. Nakaabang na sila kay Carolino eh.
Everybody knows, what Michelle Carolino can do.
Right. 5-all. Again, former league MVP. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. D-Mac, Topic on the run, misses.
And once upon a time, she was one of the, if not the pinaka-famous na player.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes. Ang sinabi mong Carolino, from Letran, ha? Kasi sabi that's probably the best player in the Philippines right there. D-Mac. Whoa, Topic. Kept alive there by Gonzaga. Here's Michelle Carolino. Off the block. Di Makulangan going to Cases. Agno. Bautista. Gonzaga gives up a free ball. Rhea Di Makulangan. Great dig by Gonzaga. Balse uhulog. D-Mac going to Cases. Agno na naman si Gonzaga. Pero that time, nagdi-4 na si Gonzaga. Nahiga na muna.
Pero both teams talagang digging very well. Ganda ng quality ng rallies natin.
And Gonzaga picks herself up after that one, tied at 6. Neneng Topic, kabisado na ni Topic. She's the newest member of this team.
Yeah.
Kabisado na niya yung system. Good serve by Topic. Agno on the reception. Combination play. Michelle Carolino. Di Makulangan tries it again. Nandun na naman si Gonzaga. Carolino airborne. D-Mac, Caballero. Cases off the block of Balse.
Oy, Cases is in a zone.
Grabe nilalaro ni Cases. Ay, lugtag niya talaga, no? About high leaping. Ano ba pinakain sa kanila sa letran nung araw? No?
Oo nga eh.
Siya, Pantalyon, Octana, ang lalakas lumundag ng mga yan. Si Rosan Fajardo, ate ni Kim.
Kailangan tanungin natin.
Drop shot there coming from Gonzaga. Cases again. Bagay, si Carolino, taga-letran din yan.
Oo nga.
And Valls scores. There's another Letran player on the bench of Air Force actually. Si Liza de Ramos was not seen action yet. And Jenna Andayan, dyan din.
Letran din.
Oo. So, UST.
Pero kasi si Tapik maganda nilalaro for Air Force.
Oh, yeah. Pantino. Di makulangan. Cases! Dikitan po itong ating fourth set, pero nakaahon na naman ang Philippine Air Force. They are up by 1. Kami po ay magbabalik.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your Monster Meal and Family Meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
Yeah, Shakey's!
TV Monday to Friday at 1 p.m. Giniginaw na daw si Bianca Salduha.
Kahit tumatalo na nag-cheer sa saya ang Philippine Air Force sa mid ng third set at early ng third set, hindi pa rin sumasaya si Coach Ayun dahil common compose dahil alam niya na maaga pa para mag-celebrate, mahaba pa ang oras and anything can happen tulad ng nangyayari sa umpisa ng set na ito. Ready to fight pa rin ang Army. Sa Army, puro numbers ang pinag-uusapan para may conscious observation kung saan talaga sila nagkakamali. Konting tiyaga pa ang hinihingi at imbis na manggigil, shake it off and smile lang para gumaan ang galaw. Nadidisappoint nga si Coach Rico dahil nawawala sila sa forma pagdating sa block at hindi tinitignan ng spiker kaya kulang ang diskarte pero hindi pa rin nawawala ang face niya sa team. Balik sa inyo, Noel and Noreen.
And you know what? Thank you very much for that report, Bianca. We have a block point here para sa upunan ng Army. Natatawa ka na naman.
No. That looked like it was gonna go out.
Hinabol pa rin. Actually, during the break kanina, I saw Rachel Andakis trying to stretch. Gusto niyang pumasok sa laban na ito. Pero yun na nga, bumalik ulit siya sa bench. Iniisip niya, hindi niya talaga kaya. So, Michelle Carolino has been dispatched here as Bautista hits it long, 9-all.
Yeah, she shouldn't force it. Diba? I mean,
May next game pa naman. Hindi naman to do or die para sa Army. They can afford to lose this match. Pero for Air Force, parang do or die na rin to. They want to keep Ateneo and NU down there.
Yes, that's right.
Dimac. There's the running attack again for Joanne Bunag and she will miss. Oy, wala. Maghanap ng check ball. Wala daw. Si Bunag kailangan mag-work on her sales skills. Kailangan ibenta mo yun.
Hindi mabenta.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katola gamitin, probably Philippine-made. 1-point lead for the Philippine Air Force. Para sa cricket yan eh. Kailangan pag naka-out ka, sabihin ng, talagang pakita mo sa umpire, out! Caballejo.
He should work on their sales skills.
Oo, yan. Sell it! Pasok na eh. At so tayo like sa lalaki pag napapanood ko yung mga men's volleyball. Kanya-kanya silang benta, ang gagaling. Dito mo talaga kung sino bolero, yung lalaki talaga. Paborito ko talaga sa lahat na nagbebenta, si Rocky Honrado pag napapanood ko. Grabe magbenta yun. Talagang out na, sabihin niya, hindi. Diba?
Fan ako ni Rocky Honrado.
Rocky is one of the best. On and off the court, 11-10. Air Force up by 1. Mukha bolero malala. Takes one to know one, no?
Yeah. You said it, not me.
Bunag, turn back there by Topic. Back set ngayon, Gonzaga. Di Makulangan, lifts it up for Pantino. Off the block, Agno is there. Salak, sending it to Bautista. Binuhay ni Topic.
Long rally.
Another one, here is Pantino. Salak, angat para dito kay Nene.
Another good take.
Rhea to Judy. Nice block, and that one will stay in. Oy, that look in. That look in.
Well, even the calls are going the way of our Air Force.
Wow. That happened right in front of us. That looked in. 2-point lead para sa Air Force. And Bunag, revenge.
Poetic justice.
11 serving 12. Joan Bunag ngayon. Balmaceda, Di Makulangan. Galing sa likuran. And that is a check ball on the attack coming from Pantino.
Boy, ito si Pantino rin, no? Playing solid
Yan.
for Air Force.
Ayan, silipad naman talaga yan. Ang bagay maging piloto. Hilig lumipad. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Good serve by Pantino. Free ball coming from Balse, almost scored. Great block by Balse. Angat, Caballejo. Binuhay ni Gonzaga. There's Bautista into the net. Tatlo na po ang abante rito ng Air Force. At luminipis na ang butas para dito sa Philippine Army. Dalia Cruz will come in. Puro pag gitna na to. Balse, Cruz, Bunag.
Yeah.
Oh, pwede na rin si Salak. Pantino on the serve. Combination, Balse. It's out, no touch. Di nahintay ni Coach Nico yung technical timeout. Army needs to talk things over. So 15-11, kahit gano'ng kaganda simula rito ng Philippine Army, Air Force is just playing on another level today.
That's right. That's true. They're playing team. They're really showing us what teamwork really
And this should feel like a championship para sa kanila. They lose this match, that opens the door for Ateneo and NU.
Yeah.
Dimac, kabila, Cases, Salak, Gonzaga, second ball. Yes!
You know, funny, I was waiting for that. She had a couple of opportunities earlier in the set, in the early sets, and wala, sineset na, never finally.
Oo. Matuto siya ng konti kay Aisa Maiso.
Oo.
Walang pakundangan yung mga second ball ni Aisa Maiso. Dimac, leaves it for Caballejo. Oh, Bunag. Wrong position that time. 16-12, 4-point lead for the Philippine Air Force. They also have a 2-1 lead. Kami po magbabalik.
Hey, listen, let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
Only on a text to everybody.
Trying it calls to many.
Made better with all-day surfing. No sweet and not sweet. Share and like. It's so sweet, that's so sweet. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
At si Bianca Saldua, patuloy po ang ating very interesting quarterfinal round. Michelle Carolino has yet to score this season. Balse, Balmaceda, Cases, sinabol, binuhay ni Pantino. Quick set, yan. Ang daming pinaghirapan ng Air Force. Diba, doon din babagsak kay Balse ulit. Daming pasakalye.
Oo nga eh. Pero we gotta give credit to Cases for that.
16-13, that score, that lead is down to 3. Gonzaga serving again. Di Makulangan going to Cases. Salak, Michelle Carolino. And is that a check ball? That is her first score of the season.
Who was once the most famous player.
She still is in my book. Kung gawa ka ng all-time list, nasa top 10 yan.
Oo.
Gawa ka ng all-time list, nasa top 10
And
si
that's
Michelle
humble,
Carolino.
Very
Yes.
humble. Stayed humble.
Agno. Combination play. Michelle Carolino, 2 for 2 for Michelle.
Nabuhayan ng Army.
Hindi pa nga alam na marami ang kwento ni Michelle Carolino. She actually has scoliosis.
Oh,
and she is playing volleyball. Time out, Air Force.
Papadikitin na naman natin. Maghahabol na naman tayo ng maghahabol. Hindi naman inaatake ni, hindi naman inaatake ni Michelle.
Kanya lang yung
diba?
pattern na
At the same time, pinapalak ko sa yung kamay mo. Sabi ko, ilak niya ng ilak para ulak natin sa open. Kung hindi natin ilalak, tapon lang ang tapon ng bola. Sinasayang lang natin yung pagod.
Dapat na, Nay, ha?
Hindi mo siya patakbuhin kasi awkward minsan yung takbo niya. Like back
Mayet Carolino in the house. Grabe, no? Bagay na bagay talaga hairstyle.
Nice, yeah.
And the killer smile of Mayet. Always there. Here's Ate Michelle scoring her first point of the season and promptly following up that one with her second point of the season. Back-to-back points for Michelle Carolino, the former MVP. At isa na lang po ang abante rito ng Philippine Air Force. D-Mac, Tapik. Wow. Nahawakan ni Agno. Labas na dapat yon.
We saw the reaction of Agno, you know. Kung tumama, nakita niya, out.
Ngiti na lang si Coach Rico. Out na eh.
Masyado masipag.
Right. And Semana is in earlier than normal now to replace Neneng Tapik.
Well, na-realize ni Coach Clarence na wala naman ako sinasub, so pwede ko siya ibalik at least 2 times.
Bunag on the reception. Balse off the block. So 17-16. Army just down by 1. Hindi ko nang nangangamoy.
Nangangamoy, ganun lang. Tignan natin.
Balse on the serve. D-Mac. Cases. Salak is there. Di Makulangan going over to Micah Ortiz trying to drop it. Nandun naman si Balse. Michelle Carolino. Turned back there by the defense. One more time around. They go to Carolino again. And this is still alive. Up. This is the correct call.
Delayed but correct.
Yes. 18-16. Yung huling tira ni Carolino hindi tumawid. Two-point lead now with Joy Cases. Bigla na nahimik na si Cases dito sa fourth set.
That's true.
Cases looking to protect his 2-point lead. Agno. Salak. Hulog. Nandun si Caballejo. D-Mac. Running attack. Galing kay Micah Ortiz.
Well, that combination, that connection, working well pa rin para sa Air Force.
Tumama na sa net. Kaya nasira yung flight path nito si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Ayan, o.
Boy, that's a cushion already for Air Force at this point.
But again, not safe.
Not safe.
Against Army. Cases, good serve. Carolino. Gets it, off the block. Buhay pa rin. Pantino into the net.
Hitting error there para sa Air Force.
Michelle Carolino now to serve. Here's Di Maculangan now going to Pantino out of nowhere. Yes!
Bumawi si Pantino.
Pantino, kala mo galing sa CR nung tumakbo. Diba? Parang, dito ko. Ganda ng buwelo eh. 2017. Again, Rhea Di Maculangan doing so many positive things para sa kanyang kupunan. Now serving. Needing only 5 more points to pull off the upset. Dalia Cruz. Net violation against Mike Ortiz.
Well, they can still afford it at this juncture, but...
Dikit yan, ha?
Yeah, no. They can still, kasi 2-point lead pa rin, but let's hope that they don't look back to that.
Unforced error there against the Air Force. Salak with another race.
What a time for that to come.
Hiniram niya kay Rachel yung remote control.
Ganda ng target na nun.
Down to 1. Salak with another one. No. Mabubuhay ito ni Cases. Salak now. Combination. Dalia Cruz.
Good take.
Dimac going to Pantino. Lusot sa blockers.
Boy, Pantino's always the answer, you know?
Right. First action now for Jenna Andaya. As topic will check back in. Full front line again. Para dito kay Coach Aying and Air Force. Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Jenna Andaya. Another Letran product. Here's Bunag. Di Maculangan keeping it alive. Caballero, Pantino, tulak. Balse, Cruz. And Dalia Cruz gets it.
Just a 1-point lead right now para sa Air Force.
Ito test of character para sa Air Force. Can you subdue the Army Lady Troopers in a close twilight of the set? Yan ang katanungan dyan. As Bunag gets to Balmaceda. Caballero, turn back, lalabas. Hindi daw umover, sabi ng Army. Bunag will be replaced. So, Patricia Shatan Torres seeing her first action.
The former libero.
Yep, so dalawang libero na yan, nasa likuran. 22-20. 3 points away ang Air Force from the upset. Pantino, Torres, Salak, Balse, Di Maculangan, Caballero, hulog, dato si Salak. Gonzaga, second ball!
Galit na si Joe Gonzaga.
22-21. Look at that. Second ball.
Si Dimac ang tinarget eh.
Dalia Cruz. Dimac. Across. Cases. Lusot sa blockers. Binuhay naman ni Gonzaga. Michelle Carolino. Kept alive pa rin. Carolino one more time. Di Maculangan. Caballero. Yes!
Oh!
Judy Caballero gives them another 2-point lead. Timeout Army. Narinig masyado yung huddle na yun.
Ako din eh.
And here's that last strike coming from Judy Caballero. Frozen na naman ang mga taga-Army. And even if it did go through, coverage was not there either.
That is true.
So 2 points away from the upset. Caballero on the serve. Michelle Carolino, lusot! Michelle Carolino, the MVP, cuts it down to 1.
And you gotta realize, you gotta understand that Michelle Carolino's got so much championship, so much experience.
Right.
With her.
Jovelyn Gonzaga, the reigning MVP of this conference. Dimac, Cases, over everybody. Match point now to the Philippine Air Force.
Who would have thought? Ain't over, but who would have thought Air Force would get the match point?
Andaya will sit, Ortiz will return. Neneng Topic serving for the match.
And look at the front row right now of Air Force. Ortiz, Cases, and Dimac.
Right. Torres. They go to Michelle Carolino. Dug up there by Caballero. Out of position, Cases. Torres. Salak. Carolino. Pantino digs it up. Caballero. Kabila. Cases. Into the net. And they didn't call that one, so allegedly na-block yun. Carolino. Last minute reaction. Ortiz. Lusot. And that's it. Oh, Philippine Air Force winning their first 2 matches of the quarterfinals at the expense this time of the mighty Philippine Army. 25-22 sa ating 4th set, and only for the second time this year, Army loses with Tina Salak in their lineup. Shaky play, Micah Ortiz finishing off the Lady Troopers.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 cents lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer?
Yep. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
Miss Ray, itatanong ko sa'yo. Yung first set, medyo nahirapan kayo ng konti sa Army, pero sa second set and then hanggang dulo, talagang consistent pa kayo at naging malakas pa kayo. So ano yung ginawa niyo para ma-reset yung emotion at yung pressure para mas maging, para maging panalo kayo in the end?
Sinabi lang po sa amin ni Coach na i-enjoy lang po namin yung game. Na every point po, i-celebrate po namin. Tapos pag nagkamali, bawi lang po kami agad. Ayun.
Alright, that's the answer of Ms. Rhea Di Mangkulangan. At ito po, galing sa Shakey's, ang Shakey's bag for the player of the game. Balik sa inyo, Noel and Noreen.
Thank you very much, Rhea Di Mangkulangan. That's a season high 55 excellent sets. And that will do it for us. Air Force winning their first 2 games in the quarterfinals, looking good. On behalf of our interviewer, Bianca Salduan, my partner, Noringo. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.
Excellent back row hit from Jaja.
Soltones.
Up.
Back into the combination play.
Marishana with a powerful hit.
Great block by Michael Ortiz. Valdes.